Welcome to KetoMealsAndRecipes.com. Today I'm going to show you what I do with the skin that's left over when I debone and remove the skin from chicken breast, legs, or thighs. Rather than throwing it away, and I'll show you what to do, especially if you like pork belly crackle. You will absolutely love the much lighter and milder taste of these crispy, crunchy chicken skin crackle. Just listen, this is proof that they are really crispy and crunchy. For these crunchy and very tasty chicken crackle, you only need two very inexpensive ingredients. This basic version of chicken skins has a macronutrient ratio of 1.4 to 1, with 0.2 grams of total and net carbs because there's no dietary fiber. And this is how I make this recipe. The first thing I do is I take all the chicken skins and put them into a bowl. Fill this bowl with room temperature tap water. Add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, stir, and let the skins rest in the water for 10 minutes. Now drain the vinegar water and rinse the chicken skin under running water. Place the skins flat on a paper towel. Lay a second sheet of paper towel on top and pat to dry. It's really very important that you make sure that the skins are as dry as possible. Okay. Having done that, now preheat your oven to 420 degrees Fahrenheit or 215 degrees Celsius. The next thing I'm going to do is to grease the surface of the wire rack by brushing the surface with oil. This will prevent the skins from sticking and falling apart when you try to remove them. Before proceeding, place a wire rack over a baking sheet. This is important because the skins will release a fair bit of fat, and the baking sheet will catch the grease drips and save you a lot of time cleaning up. Then place the chicken skins in a single layer. By the way, you want the outer skin side down, stretching them out as flat as you can on the surface. And the second thing you do, sprinkle the finely ground salt all over the skin and then gently rub the salt to distribute it all over the surface. And that's all there is to the prep. Put everything into the middle position of your preheated oven and set your timer for 10 minutes. The skins are not quite done, so remove the rack from the oven and flip the chicken skins. Then return the rack to the oven and bake for another 10 minutes or until your chicken skins are a medium golden color. Touch them with your fork, and if they seem solid, they're done. If they still seem soft, give it another 2 or 3 minutes. Remove the tray from the oven and let the skins cool to room temperature on the wire rack. You'll notice that when your skins are cooled and you run your fork over the surface, you can hear this nice crackly sound. And when you bite the skins, you'll have a really satisfying crunch. And that's all there is to making homemade chicken skin crackle. So serve and enjoy. If you're wondering what to do with your leftover chicken skin crackle, the answer to this is a bit tricky. That is because homemade crackle does not have preservatives and other chemicals that keep the skin crispy. So the best thing is to make your chicken crackle and enjoy it the same day you made it. However, if you do have leftovers, store your leftovers in an airtight container and place a desiccant packet inside this container so that the skins don't get soft too quickly. In this way, you can store the chicken crackle in your fridge for about 2 days. So I do hope you try this recipe. I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment or suggestion in the description box. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. Please share the link and come back when I post my next video. Until next time, have a very happy and healthy day. Cheers!